How to see mutual friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can see the mutual friends on your Snapchat. It's going to be a real quick and easy video, so let's get straight into it. Open up your Snapchat app. Now from the home screen, you can tap on this human icon, which is the added friends section. Here on the first, it shows me all of the people that have sent a friend request on Snapchat. But if you scroll down, the next section is called the quick add section. So you can see some of the contacts say 3+ mutual friends. But if you tap open the icon, you cannot see an option to exactly see who the friends are. So all you can do is see the people that might be mutual friends, but you cannot see exactly who are mutual on. So yeah, that's how you can see mutual friends on Snapchat. If this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and that's gonna be all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.